Hey there, where exactly the delegates are essential in C# programming environment? Some of us might experience the question, where do we fit exactly the C# delegates, either in an interview or in a process of finding a solution to the specific problem. And in most cases, we'll be amused and thinking, hey, I can achieve this functionality without using the delegates, so what's the catch? In this short video, we will discuss about where essentially the delegate plays its critical part, so that the functionality won't be served without the delegates. Let's see that with examples. Delegate example we are going to create on third-party software. This is going to be a simple software which is doing a very simple task. So for this this class, we are going to generate a GUID. So the class name is GUID gen, and the method name is generate GUID, which is accepting the count of thing. I mean, how many count we need, and it is returning as a list of string of GUIDs. Again, this is going to be I'm going to loop it for till count. So this generate GUID is fairly simple. GUID, new GUID. So toString for n means it will return without any hyphens. So it's doing it to upper and adding to the result list, and it is returning to the user who is calling this. So in this example, we are going to consume whatever we have done. So in that third-party application, so we are going to what you call we have made that dependency here, third-party software. So here we have done that thing also using third-party software. And here I'm going to write a console how many GUIDs we need to generate. So as a next step, we are saving it to the count, and so we are creating the object for the GUID gen, which is we have seen that in the for third-party software. So we are saving that into the list of string, and this is fairly simple. Result list and GUID generate GUID. So whatever the thing it is setting, we are going to loop it through for each, and we are writing it. So this is the console.read line. So to hold that particular output in the console window. So I'm just running this thing. So this is asking for this might asking for this how many GUIDs need to generate. So I'm just typing 10. So this is 10. It's been generated. So in this step, we are introducing the delegates into this third-party software. So what we are going to do is so we are going to write a simple delegate. So that is going to be a public delegate. It's void specific GUID. So we are going to get a specific GUID when it is generating. So it is inputting string of current GUID. That is, I will explain it later. So what will happen is we are getting it as an input. So this kind of delegate into this generate GUID. So as a next step, if the generated GUID is starts with, so substring of 0, 1 starts with the alphabet A, then we are going to call this delegate object. So let's see how it is going to happen in the client code. For client software, which is using the third-party software and trying to generate the GUIDs, list of GUIDs. So here I can see that generate GUID is throwing some error because we have added some more parameter, as the parameter is a delegate. So it is showing a specific GUID delegate. So we need to pass that thing. So what we need to do is we need to write a method which is satisfying the same signature what we have done in the third-party software, which is returning void as well as it is accepting the string. This is print current GUID. So that is the name of that method. So whatever it is accepting, it is going to write GUID starts with A. So again, what we are going to do is here I'm going to pass this reference of this print GUID. So you can see that we are not passing any parameter. So it is just we are sending this reference so to that thing. So on executing this thing, I'm going to write this. I'm going to write 50 count so that we'll have a handful of yes. So you can see that first the moment whenever it is generating the GUID, if it is starts with EA, it will call this method immediately Then after that, it will generate a list of objects and it is returning. Going back to the third-party software, so I'm just reiterating whatever we have done. So we have seen how a simple delegate is useful whenever we are calling or whenever whenever we are in need to get instant information, or if you want to pass some code, if you want to add some more extra logic to the existing software, we can. This is the place where we need a delegate, and without delegate we cannot do this kind of functionalities. So I hope this video has explored how a simple delegate and without delegate works, and without delegate what is the use case scenario where exactly the delegate is very essential. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.